Hello together. Today I want to show you how to make a screenshot on the Redmi Note 11 Pro. There are 4 different ways how you can make a screenshot, and I will show you these different ways one by one. The first one, if we swipe down from the top right a little bit down, and here you can see a symbol with scissors. And if I press on it, it will make automatically a screenshot from the app which is at the moment active. So if I go in the Play Store and open this and just want to make a screenshot from that, I can again swipe down and press it, and then it will make automatically a screenshot from this app. So it's pretty easy just to swipe down and start the program. So the second possibility is if we press the power down and the volume down button at the same time. So I press it for a short period of time, and then you can see again the same. So I can again start any app, perhaps the phone app, and I just press both of them for the same time, and then you can see again this screenshot has been made. That's the second possibility. The third possibility is to go to the settings, and when I am in my settings, I can go a little bit down to additional settings, and then to gesture shortcuts. And here at the top you can see take a screenshot. Slide 3 fingers down, volume down and power. So volume down and power I've showed you already, but slide 3 fingers down. And what will happen then? You can see here it makes a screenshot from the app where I'm in it. So it's pretty easy just to make screenshots, perhaps here from Google Chrome, and it makes a screenshot from Google Chrome. The fourth possibility is if we go again in the additional settings, and then gesture shortcuts. And here we have custom gestures, and you can see what should happen if somebody double taps on the fingerprint sensor. And you can say, take a screenshot, control center, launch camera, or other things. If we change it to take a screenshot and you just tap on the side 2 times, then it will also make a screenshot. So you have completely 4 different possibilities how you can make a screenshot. And the special which I want to show you is some pages are longer than a normal screen. So you can see here when I want to make a screenshot, and I will only make normally a screenshot from this part. But you can also, with all possibilities, you can make a scrolling screenshot, so that the screenshot takes all of the page in the picture. And when I tap it here and then click on scroll, and then you can see it has made a screenshot from the whole page. So it's pretty cool if you want to make a whole screenshot, perhaps from a website or from other pages which are longer than your normal screen. And then you can click on done. And then when you're done, you can directly go in the edit mode and just crop it and do other things. So it's pretty easy and pretty cool. My 4 methods how to make a screenshot on the Redmi Note 11 Pro. 4 different ways, plus a special to make a scrolling screenshot. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.